Cameron, what are you doing? Cameron, what are you doing, Cameron? Cameron. You're friend a swinger.
He said you're a traitor.
I'm a traitor? I'm not a traitor. A traitor? So what are we going to do? How about you still want to play tennis? Go get Jewel. Go get Jewel. Go after her. Go get her. Go get her. Who want to get it poppin'? No, I can't do that.
Never.
Go get her. Go get her. She's about to run upstairs. Cameron, stop attacking him. That's enough, Cam. Cam. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Run, Jewel. Cameron.
I'll not get her because my mommy's going to be mad at me.
Oh, okay.